share mine and you share yours.
Yes, yeah,
And we'll discuss with the sir tomorrow's class.
sure. But tomorrow is a morning class.
Yeah,
So
morning class.
on the next, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay,
We'll
fine.
discuss, sir.
So, so now let us go with our application. Okay, let me guide you more scenarios. How to do ad hoc. Okay, you guys learned ad hoc for login pages, right?
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm taking one example to make you understand. Okay.
Hmm.
You told one bank. What is that bank name?
Wells Fargo.
Wells Fargo. WLL.
Mhm. There is only one E.
Okay. Is there any bank for Trump? Trump Bank is there?
Hmm,
No.
not heard
There
of.
is a Truist, not Trump. There is a
Hmm.
Truist Bank.
Okay. So is given the requirement to Wipro, one of the software company. Software is ready. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Software is ready. Test engineers done. As soon as we get the build, we'll do ad hoc testing or smoke testing. Smoke testing. Once
Smoke
after
testing.
smoke testing is done, we'll do functional testing and
Hmm.
we'll do integration testing. While
Hmm.
doing that, if we come up with a creative scenarios, we'll go for ad hoc testing.
Hmm.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Or
Yeah.
else, or else we will document it and we will give the document to my lead.
Hmm.
So you can do that. Or else I will start with the system testing. Once after I cover all positive testings, later I will go for the ad hoc testing. Got
Adhoc.
it?
Yes, sir.
Acceptance will be done once after releasing software to the customer. But in the company, this AT means what testing?
Hmm.
Acceptance testing.
Acceptance.
Yes.
Yeah.
Aha. Before releasing the software, AT means what? Ad hoc
Oh,
testing.
before releasing. I'm so sorry. Yeah.
Ad
Yeah.
hoc testing. Okay, don't get confused. See, now you are the stage where you need to analyze what testing you have to do. Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
Around 30 classes are completed. Still getting confused means you are not doing a hard work or you are just ignoring. Already I'm doing job. Somebody forced me to do the course. I joined the course. Let me finish the course. Later, let us see. That type of mindset you have, no? From tomorrow only, don't come to the class.
No,
Okay?
no, we don't have that
Because
kind of mindset.
till today you are not learned anything. Okay?
No,
There
no,
are
no.
many
It's
things
not
you have
that
to. No, I'm
because
just telling.
we
Okay?
Sir, that,
spend pretty good
yeah,
time in the acceptance testing, right? So when I
yeah,
see
Yeah.
80, all of
exactly.
a sudden
Me
it's
too.
click in my
Yeah.
mind.
We are so much used to of 80 as acceptance, no? That
But still, you have to shift your gears. You should not keep the same mindset every day. Okay?
yes, sir.
Yes. So let us see. This is the application. Okay. Wells Fargo application is there. See, always there will be application both admin side and customer side. No. So let
Hmm.
us see admin side. Admin side means bank manager side.
Hmm.
Okay. Somebody is riding a vehicle, I think, and in the class.
No, sir. Actually, it is some some machine which is running outside.
Okay. Okay. So let us log in as a bank manager to the application. Let me show you what I'm doing. Okay.
Hmm.
So you will get the home page, right?
Hmm.
Home page where the bank manager can also do the amount transfer, right?
Hmm.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I
And
have questions, sir.
can also uh, bank manager also block the contact, right? Block the account.
Yeah.
Okay, let me take all these things. So if customer is clicking, if bank manager is clicking on block the account, it will
Hmm.
go to which page?
It should again go to the block the account of the user, of the
Block
customer.
the account page where there will be account number. Okay, where there will be account number, and there is something called as block button and cancel button. Okay,
Yes.
Rina, tell what is your doubt.
My question is, sir, we get so many examples for login, logout. Is there any way you can take another example to
That is
help us,
another
sir?
example. That is this example. You guys
No,
understood
I
how
get
to
your
write the scenarios for login, logouts, no? I mean,
Yes.
only login page. This is not a login page, okay? Now, this is a functionality of an application. Let us see how we can write the scenarios. There is no login. Here I'm logging as a bank manager. Without
Okay.
login, can you write any scenarios?
No. I'm talking about like if we can take example of different topics, but it's fine.
Yeah,
We can go with
different
this.
topic only. I know what is going in your minds. Okay, no need of worrying. I'm a training from many years. Okay, got it? Let
Yes,
us
sir.
Yeah.
see. Let us see the bank manager is logging and blocking some accounts. So,
Account. Yeah.
what type of accounts means? Fraud management. What we'll call it as a fraud management. This concept name is called as fraud management. If somebody is doing some fraud, no, what bank manager will do, he will get the feedbacks from the customers. I transferred amount to this account and this account is a fake account, like that. No, before Modi came to India, not India as a PM, there are a bank accounts where there is no PAN card linked or Aadhaar card linked. It means there is no access for the government to analyze whether this account is dead or legal account or illegal account in the bank. So the hackers or the scammers, what they used to do, they used to create some account without PAN and Aadhaar, means government will not get to know. There is an account which is registered to no one. Got it? But
Yes.
account is
Yes, sir.
created. That is what I'm. There is no authorized person, but is having a bank account. Is holding a bank account in India. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What he used to do, he used to go for some bank and he used to do theft, something like that. And he used to transfer the account to the bank account, and it is become a white money. If you are storing something in a bank, no, it is white only, no. And there is nobody is there to calculate that money. Whenever you want, you can draw. Whenever you want to do, you can spend that money. Nobody asking, nobody is doing anything. Got it? Later, not only this, next fraud things came, like how hacking the accounts, transferring the amount to the unknown accounts. Unknown account means this type of accounts where there is no PAN card and Aadhaar card linked. Transferred amount, make it as legal and withdraw the amount. Next, there is a black money and all. Transfer the black money to this unknown account. Okay. How much you require daily? Okay, create 100 illegal accounts. Transfer one account, 1 lakh. It means 1 crore illegal amount you are transferred. Use monthly 1 lakh. Enjoy. This was going on previously. So some accounts used to, block by the manager as well, because some complaints used to rise. Police used to caught some fraud accounts. The 100 accounts are there. Police can catch only 1 or 2, no, because there is no person. You can't find who is handling that account. Later, Modi ji came. He told some Aadhaar card should be there if you are present in India. Okay. Everyone came to our houses, took photos. They have created. Later, he told one rule: if your Aadhaar card linked with your bank account, then only Your accounts will be valid, or else this bank accounts will be removed from the bank. Simply linking Aadhaar card to the bank is invalid. You can't track anything. Okay, but still everyone linked. Later, you should link the PAN card with the Aadhaar card. PAN card means what? Universal account number will be there. How much amount is there in your name in entire world? That should be present in your where? PAN
Bank
card.
account.
PAN card.
PAN
Aadhaar
card,
card with the government.
Hmm.
PAN card must be linked with Aadhaar card. Oh, boss. So Aadhaar card is belongs to government. Government got many accounts, many illegal accounts, many accounts where there is no users. Many people are could not able to add the PAN card with the Aadhaar card, or they are not giving their Aadhaar card since they are doing their fraud jobs. Few fellows is not having the PAN card or Aadhaar card because they are from other countries like Bangladesh or from Pakistan.
Yeah.
Or somewhere, Sri Lanka as well. Got it? Or Bhutan as well. So we got some clarity who is Indian, what amount is keeping in the bank. So as soon as they caught many users, they have to block how they will block. Obviously, bank manager how to block. You are getting the so without this particular module, blocking module, how can you use this? So blocking should be there, no? So as a test engineer, you have to test whether it is working properly or not.
Yes, sir.
So what I'll do, obviously, I will do the smoke testing, functional testing, integration testing, all. Sir, can you give me one example of functional testing? I will check whether the account number will accept only numbers. Account number means numbers. Okay.
Yes, yeah.
And requirements is, let me take an example of 12-digit account number. Okay, it should accept. And this account number should be created by the bank manager.
Okay.
Okay, this is the requirement. 12-digit account number should be there, and that should be accepted by that is created by the bank manager. So he is the creator, he is the blocker.
Correct.
Okay, if you're illegal guy, they will block that account. If you're legal guy, you can use the account. That's it. You understood the requirement, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So I have done the functional testing. Click amount transfer page should display, test that, functional testing do, block account, do the testing. Got it? There will be many modules. You have done integration testing as well.
Yes, sir.
As I guided you while doing integration testing, bank transfer, amount transfer, next amount balance, that and all you guys already know.
Yes, sir.
Let me guide you this black account as well, okay? I will log in as a bank manager. I will go to block account. I will enter valid account number. I'll click on block. Okay, I will get a confirmation message. What I'll get? I'll get a
Confirmation message.
confirmation. Why confirmation message? I should
Because
get to know, right, whether the action is happened or not.
Or not. Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Confirmation message is displayed. Later, I will log out as a bank manager. I will log in as a customer. I am trying to log in as a customer, but it is showing your access is denied, or you are blocked, or meet your bank manager. You have account problem. Some error message you will get. Got it? That is what my block the account will work. This is positive flow.
Yes, sir.
Now, this is also done. Now I have to do the ad hoc testing. Now, creatively, the requirement says what? If you just block that particular fellow, he should not log in. His access is gone. The testing I have done. Now I have to do the ad hoc testing. What I'll do? I will log in as a bank manager. Okay. See, my scenario is starting from login. No, login as bank
as
manager. Okay. What you have to do? navigate
Hmm.
to block
Block
the
account.
contact. Yes or no? This is
Yes,
Yeah.
one
sir.
of the
Yeah.
module or
Yes, sir.
feature. Block the contact
Yes.
account. Enter invalid account number.
Mm-hmm.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Click on block
Block.
button.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Check whether proper error message is displayed. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
If you are entering the invalid account number,
Mm-hmm.
then
Yes, sir.
how can I block it?
Correct.
Assume this bank manager is not created some account. How can he block that?
Hmm.
Getting no?
Correct. Yes, sir.
Whatever the message you have sent to me, you will be having access to delete that message.
Hmm.
You can't delete the message which is created by Reena. Reena sent some message to me.
Hmm.
Can
Mm-hmm.
Prerna can delete that?
No, sir.
Understood? That is the
Hmm.
logic.
Hmm.
If you created the bank account, see, invalid account number means this may be valid for another bank apart from Wells Fargo. This is also
Mm-hmm.
might happen. Let me write scenario for that. You will understand. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
Let's login as a no. There is no login as a bank manager. Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Open application. Since I am not given any name
Mm-hmm.
for the application, I'm just taking as an application or Wells Fargo application. Let me take.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Wells Fargo as a bank manager.
Mm-hmm.
Now you are understanding.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Navigate to block the content account. Enter. Can you tell another bank account name? Bank name. Bank name.
Bank of America.
Okay.
Yeah.
BOM.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So enter BOM account number.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, your Bank of America is handled in India, pa. There is a company where
Mm-hmm.
all the things. Okay, the bank is in America but handled in India.
Okay.
Okay.
Less amount,
Oh.
less salary, maybe. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
bank account
Mm-hmm.
number. Click on block button. Check whether the say as a
Mm-hmm.
bank manager, Donald
Mm-hmm.
Trump cannot come and tell that hey Indians you should leave the India or
Mm-hmm.
or I will kill all the Indians. Who is he? He's not authorized person here. But he
Mm-hmm.
can tell in US, hey Indians, you are staying in US, you should leave the India.
Mm-hmm.
Understood, huh? So he's
Yes,
having
Yeah.
sir.
access.
Yeah.
The
Yes, sir.
elections is getting the access as a bank manager in
Yes.
his state or in his country.
Hmm.
Got it?
Yes,
So
sir.
he
Yeah.
can't come and do anything here. Here
Hmm.
if you come, Modi will tell, hey भाई नहीं है तुम वैसे क्यों बात कर रहे हैं इधर से
Hmm.
हटाओ.
Hmm.
You are not
Yes, sir.
belongs to here. How can you judge my people? No, this is
Correct.
India. Indians will stay. But
Yes.
he is having a capacity to send Indians back, but it is not that much easy. I
Mm-hmm.
mean,
Correct.
his country will go last if he send Indians. We are
Mm-hmm.
working for his country, no? In
Mm-hmm.
US,
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
many companies around 30 to 50% of employment is Indians. And
Mm-hmm.
big companies, if you take.
Yes,
And
sir.
Correct.
many CEOs, CFOs, the CTOs are Indians. It's not
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
easy, but I'm
Yep.
just generally telling.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
So, log in as a bank manager, navigate to bank account, enter invalid account number or enter alphabets, enter anything. Invalid means invalid, okay? It is
Mm-hmm.
not like a only number. Alphabets also included, special characters also included, anything, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Click on block button, check whether the proper error message is displayed. Similarly, you are logging into some bank account, but you are entering some other bank accounts. See, there is something called as Reserve Bank of India,
Yeah.
where all the banks will comes under that. Let us take Reserve Bank of America, where all the banks should work on that. If they found something, Osama bin Laden is having an account in US,
Okay.
they can block it. Since there is a Reserve Bank of India where all the banks are working under them, that account is having that bank manager is having a authority to block any of the bank's accounts.
Correct.
But it is not like that.
Yeah.
It is branch wise, let us take. Okay. So it is not possible. Obviously, you are doing that testing and you got to know that yes, it is error message. It is showing. Fine. This is Adhoc I am doing. Okay. Next, what I will do? Same. Open Wells Fargo application and navigate to block account. Don't enter anything. Okay.
Yeah.
Don't enter account number or leave it as a blank. What you can do? Click on block button. I don't know what will happen. No. Check whether the proper error message is displayed, because as a test engineer, I know that this is a mandatory field. We don't know. If I leave the blank and click on block button, bank manager account only getting blocked. I don't know, right? There are the scenarios. We can't trust the developer until unless the testing is done completely. Got it?
Yeah.
Understanding?
Sir, a question, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, like you explained that Wells Fargo bank manager cannot enter the account number of Bank of America.
Yes.
But sir, is like in real life, is there a possibility that two banks can have a same account number in reality?
Impossible.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think so, Prerna.
Because your mobile number, do you have another? There is a SIM, Airtel in India. There is a SIM called as Jio. Jio SIM is different company. Airtel SIM is different company. If I call, if I call, the call will connect to whom? If Prerna is transferring amount to some Reena is having the same account number as Narsimha. So the amount will go to Reena or Narsimha. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's it.
Yes, sir. Actually, I was thinking about that other numbers that are present, sir. Like there's a routing number or there's a wire transfer number which is specific for that bank, So I was like cross thinking, is it necessary to have different account number or is it necessary to have different routing numbers? I'm just
different account number. Different account number. I will transfer amount from account to account based on the number.
Okay.
Now let us go to next scenario. Open Wells Fargo application as the bank manager. I will not block it. Okay. Okay, let me block. Navigate to block the account. Enter already blocked user account number. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
That fellow is already blocked.
Correct. Yeah.
If I again block, chances are that he might unblock.
Yes.
Osama bin Laden got the account in US, means what he will do? There are many terrorist activities he will do, He got the access to create an account, means it's not an easy thing, and it is not a pride for US as well. Every country is thinking US is very strong in military. But if you are giving account for one terrorist, how it is possible? How they will trust? How we are thinking that you are the strongest army you have, but you are not having a proper system to handle. So if it is unblocked, means I don't know. If it is blocked, it is fine.
Mhm.
So enter already blocked or account only deleted.
Hmm.
See, there should not, the actually delete option is not a good option. If the account itself deleted, no, we can't find any previous transactions is done, and we cannot caught the persons who is behind that something like World Trade Center they have blasted, no?
Yeah.
So nobody will simply blast, they will do that for money. So how many accounts he transferred the amount? Everything will be checked, no? If you
Yes.
double blocked them, then the account itself deleted, then what? How can you find the fellows? How can you catch them?
Mhm.
How will you get to know that that is done by only Osama bin Laden and team? There are many targets in the world. So
Mhm.
there is no proper valid answer. No. So if you are already blocked a guy, then what should display? It should display error message. This person is already blocked.
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So, however, I'm thinking this is not a story that I already learned. Okay, I'm just thinking now in front of
Yeah.
you. I'm thinking and I'm giving you an idea. This may happen, this may happen. Because I have
Correct.
listed this type of things by analyzing these points. You also used to think what and all might happen. That is what creative thinking. That is how I'm thinking and I'm generating that. So I'm not
Correct.
able to find one more scenario. Let me take fifth scenario. I'm not able to find, but it is okay because I have tested very important four scenarios. There is no need of keeping so much time to do ad hoc testing.
Okay.
Stop doing
Got
ad hoc, go for the positive.
okay.
But I can write, means right. Okay, got it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So you are already blocked number, you can't block. Okay, now let us see. Can you tell one more scenario now? You got some idea. Think.
Instead of writing a 12-digit account number,
Hmm.
you can try more than 12.
More than 12, it will not allow because the developer is restricted to 12 numbers. Can you write 11 digit number? Got
Yes,
it?
11
sir.
digit number. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Or
Got it? Huh?
yeah.
Enter 11 digit account number. Click on block button. 12 digit account number is valid account number. Got it? If you are
Yeah.
entering 11 means it should show error message. Please enter the valid account number.
Correct.
But no need of checking for again. 11 is done, sir. 10 I will do,
Yeah.
9 I will do, 8 I will do. You are not a donkey. Okay, donkey will do that type of work. So understood, huh? So one
Yes, sir.
verification if you do, that is fine.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Next.
Sir, instead of block, we can also select cancel.
But if
Okay,
you cancel, then whole thing will be done, right?
But we are inside the block the account page. So
let us
instead
see.
of
Let us
blocking
see.
the number,
As
it
a test
won't get
engineer,
blocked.
see, as a
Yes.
test
Yeah.
engineer, you should test all the buttons. Okay.
Yes. Hmm.
And if you are canceling means cancel itself negative. The flow always go in a positive way. Requirement will be given in always positive way. I don't know this cancel button will work or not. Still, I have not tested.
Not tested.
Sir, you
Yeah.
have tested while doing functional testing. Then fine. Then fine. If you have covered a scenario while doing functional testing, no need of covering the same scenario while doing the integration testing. While you are covered some scenarios during integration testing, the same scenario no need of cover in the system testing. Once you have covered, done.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay. Yes, sir.
So
Yeah.
open a Wells Fargo application as a bank manager. Navigate to the black account. Enter 12-digit valid account number and click on
Cancel
cancel
button.
button. Got it? Click
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
on cancel button. As soon as you click on cancel button, what will display? Cancel the something like discard or something it will get. We'll get
Yes.
Yeah.
a
Yeah.
continue or discard. That is what error message again.
Yes.
Yeah.
Error message should be displayed. Then it is
Yes.
correct.
Yeah.
So since I am operating all the scenarios from the same account, I'm not
Mm-hmm.
logging out.
Mm-hmm.
This is what I told. Okay, the
Mm-hmm.
continuity is there now. Then
Mm.
no need of
Writing.
writing.
Keep
Okay,
writing.
yeah.
Yeah.
So let us see. Open Wells Fargo app bank manager, navigate to block account, enter the 12-digit valid account number of a customer.
Hmm.
See how I am changing the scenarios. Anything you can write.
Hmm.
Here you are well versed with the software, so you are not writing whose account it is. Since you are in a bank manager, obviously it is customer. But see,
Hmm.
12-digit account number of a customer I am entering. Why?
Hmm.
Let us see. Click
Hmm.
on click on block button.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
Account blocked confirmation message is displayed.
That is a positive scenario, sir.
Yeah, account
Hmm.
block
Hmm.
confirmation message is displayed.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Log out as a bank
Bank manager.
manager.
Hmm.
Log in as a customer. Check whether proper error message is displayed. Why you are doing this block account? What is the purpose of block account?
To block the customer from logging in.
Customer should not log in.
Hmm.
Customer
Hmm.
access is denied.
Hmm.
That is the
Yeah.
main purpose. These
Hmm.
Yeah.
all scenarios are useless until unless this scenario is come into the picture.
Hmm.
Correct.
Keep in your mind.
Yeah.
Got it? Understanding? No. One,
Yeah.
Oh,
you
so
cannot log in as a customer. That is the
hmm.
meaning of the block.
Yeah.
Yes.
Or
Correct.
else Osama bin Laden, you blocked, you got a confirmation message. Osama bin Laden opening his account, is transferring amount and is doing all terrorist activities.
So that is why, sir, the this seventh scenario should be at the end. It cannot
No,
be.
not at the end. First, let
Okay.
me write first. See,
Okay.
the thing is you have to cover all the scenarios.
Hmm.
It's not at the end, at the first stage.
Okay. Okay.
You
Got
have
it?
to go step
This
by
is
step.
this
Mm-hmm.
one. Why I am telling as a negative, block is not a positive wala feel.
Hmm. Hmm.
It is negative feel.
Hmm.
Negative feel means more negatively you have to test.
Hmm.
More negatively means block and check.
Hmm.
Still here she told, still here your click on block account block. Still here you guys are thinking that it is a positive scenario. And
Hmm.
Prerna told sir why you are writing the positive scenario. Later
Hmm.
she understood, okay, now
Hmm.
it became negative.
Hmm.
So this is how you are
Okay.
creatively thinking and making it as a negative.
Oh, I got
Okay,
it, sir. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes.
understood?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now you got the scenarios.
So
How can we write
Yes,
for
yes.
negative?
Yes,
I
sir.
have I have one question, sir.
Yeah.
So at the end you use the word is,
Hmm.
right? So we we are not using word should, right?
Check
Check
whether
whether.
whether this is
Message
also a
is.
Sir
check
is
whether
using
the
check
matlab
whether. That's why.
Okay.
Hmm.
it should accept is for the text fields,
Yeah. Okay.
but it is not a text field. It is the action I'm doing. I'm doing all the
Okay.
flows in a negative way or some creative flows I'm doing. Check whether.
Yeah,
See all the
that's all I
scenarios is
want to
having
know.
check whether only. If you take any scenario, there is a check whether is there. Check
Yeah.
whether is
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
Okay, so it is like correct. You are not
Yeah. That
confirming it will happen. You
yeah.
know that it should not happen as a
Okay.
test engineer.
Yep. That was my
Okay,
question. Yep. Got
yeah.
it. Thank you.
Next scenario, can you tell any one? If you tell, then we can jump to another concept. So you thought that I can stop till four scenarios. I told four scenarios
Yeah.
is enough, but still I generated another three. It is like day by day we'll get the experience of creating the ad hoc. It's not easy, sir. Immediately I will do Adhoc. No, it's not possible. Please, next scenario.
So, sir, I have a question. So, in
Hmm.
like you explained, right? So,
Hmm.
in the real job life,
Hmm.
uh, if you think four should be okay, you should not jump more, right?
No, I
So,
did not told like in real time 4 should be okay. I told that if you are not able to think creatively now,
okay,
immediately, then do positive testing. Obviously,
okay,
after some time, your brain will be thinking elaborately. That time, right?
correct.
There
Okay,
is nothing called as you should not document. You must document. If you are doing ad hoc testing properly in your company, then you will be having very much weightage compared to positive testing.
okay,
Ad hoc testing can be done only manually. There is no automation.
okay,
Automation script always work in a positive way. Automation will never work in a negative way. You can't write a scenario in a negative way.
okay.
Got it? Always
Yeah,
ad hoc is positive. I mean, always ad hoc is manual testing. But entering invalid account number, click on cancel button, obviously it will show error message.
yeah.
But what I am telling you, analyze. Always the automation scripts we will write for positive scenarios. Okay.
Okay,
The flows
okay,
should be positive. The flow is negative, no. If some error message is showing, the script will end here itself.
okay,
So how means open Wells Fargo application, navigate into block account, enter 12 digits, and click on block button. Block button is clicked. You'll get a confirmation message. Is
okay,
next log out as a bank manager. Log in as a customer. It will not log in as customer or something. You can't write the script only for the negative.
okay.
Since the account number is blocked, it will not pass that and it will take. It is going in a fraction of seconds. No,
Yeah,
automation is very fast. Some negative scenarios you can't do. So always the
correct.
manual testing we'll do for ad hoc. So if you're doing ad hoc testing means you will be well versed with the requirement. You know the complete requirement. How can you handle the requirement in positive way, negative way, everything you know. Okay?
Okay,
Okay. So can I tell one more scenario? Open open app as a bank manager. Open. Okay. Click on amount transfer. Since amount transfer module I have mentioned, I can use that. Now I
yeah,
am not using any what is that? Hmm, balance and transactions, loans, OD. I am not doing that.
yeah,
Since I mentioned amount transfer, I can test the amount transfer. Okay, open app as a bank manager. Click on amount transfer. Try to transfer amount to the blocked contact, blocked account number, or already blocked account number. Anything is fine. Okay. See, the sentence formation is left to you. How standard you will write, but we should understand. Okay.
yeah.
Try to transfer the try to transfer amount to the blocked account number. Check whether proper error message is displayed.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
So how many scenarios I have written?
8.
Why 8?
Because you were thinking creatively.
Yeah, that's it. That is how you have to think. Got it? Understood?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now this same block, no? Can I use this block in WhatsApp as well?
Yes.
Yeah.
understanding, no?
Hmm.
So if you take one module, this particular, there are some buttons like login page, block
Hmm.
contacts, create contacts.
Hmm.
Same buttons, but the behavior will be different.
Hmm.
If you are analyzing that scenario, no situations,
Hmm.
then it is very easy for you guys to do the ad hoc testing.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I think you got little bit clarity today. Do
Yes.
more work, so
Hmm.
you will understand. Okay. My
Yes.
job is teaching. I'm doing that. Your
Hmm.
job is to understand the concept, understanding as of
Hmm.
now.
Hmm.
But if you want hands-on experience, then
Hmm.
you have to work by yourself.
Hmm.
It's not like waiting only for the presentation should happen or
Hmm.
only for when I'm scolding. You should not stick. See, daily I will not scold you guys. It means there is no meaning of not studying, no?
Hmm. Yes, sir.
Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Or if I'm not telling don't do, or if I'm not discussing presentation topic,
Hmm.
then you just forgot or ignored it. Not even single rupee loss for me. I'm telling you, it's your time. Time is very precious. If you're
Hmm.
wasting time, see, I have done mechanical engineering.
Hmm.
Later, I have shifted to the software. It took me around 4 years. In that, COVID also 1 year. 4 years gone. This four
Yeah.
years, no, my friends became stable in IT. Now
Hmm.
they are earning 1.5 or 2 lakhs per month.
Yeah.
It is almost equal to a person is working in Abu Dhabi or UAE, any country, not in India. Indian salaries are less, no,
Hmm.
but still
Yes,
they
sir.
are getting the salaries how much the abroad is paying them. It
Hmm.
means they are very good. If you are getting a amount, I mean the dollars amount, and you are living in India, no, you
Hmm.
can spend it like anything.
Hmm.
Let me take $10,000 I'm getting as a salary in India. How much I
Hmm.
can enjoy? You only think in India. You guys are having idea. $10,000
Hmm.
or $5,000. You can
Hmm.
aramse live in US only this much dollars if you have. Yes or no?
Hmm.
But in India, it's more cheaper, no, compared to
Yes.
US. But how
Hmm.
can you lead your life? Like, you can buy anything. You can do
Hmm.
anything.
Hmm.
That type of life you can lead. So my friends became that stage. But see, what I have done, I have made a wrong decision. It's not in my hands during selection, but still, I am going through all
Yeah.
these things, right? So when something is in your hands, you have to do that.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So that is what I'm telling you guys. You joined the course, you have done a good job, good choice of
Hmm.
selecting this. See, what I
Hmm.
can give you a good suggestion is if you would have joined for any Java classes,
Hmm.
already you would have lost the interest because you wouldn't have not understood the concepts.
Hmm.
It's
Yeah.
gone.
Hmm.
Within 5-10 classes, it's gone. Later you are paid some amount, so you are attending the classes.
Hmm.
Yeah.
This is not like that scenario, right?
Yes.
So think it. What I'm
Hmm.
telling, understand it. Okay?
Hmm.
Yep.
Hmm. Yes, sir.
So do that job properly. Why my laptop is not charging, Baba? Daily I'm getting some issues. Oh my God. So think, can you tell one more scenario?
Sir, enter the account number, turn off the internet, and then select block.
Very good. Internet is very important thing, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So I missed that because you guys will catch that.
Hmm.
Intentionally, I left it. And you
Hmm.
guys are catching that. It means somewhat you guys are using your brain. Okay?
We, yeah,
Hmm.
we are practicing, sir, with each other.
Yeah.
We are
Yes.
trying.
Yes.
That is
We
good.
are trying our best.
See, getting
Yes.
job is different, guys. I'm not telling
Hmm.
you both will get a job, you will get $20,000 per month. But you are having a concept. in your brain, which will definitely help you. Getting no? Obviously, if you are having a reference with the knowledge, 100% you can crack the interview. Knowledge is the thing. And Prerna, you know that you discussed this concept with your husband as well. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That time you'll get a clarity whether I'm learning properly or not. Do
Yes,
that.
sir. Yeah.
Because you kept one maybe he may be a manager or lead now, as I'm thinking. So you kept some important person in your house. Ask
Yes, sir.
him.
Yes, sir.
Clear. You ask him more doubts. Maybe
Yes,
that time he will get to know that okay, she is learning something.
Yes, sir.
Even he can help him to refer in his own company as well. I don't know. Got it? So
Yes, sir.
somehow, somewhat, you might get a job, or somehow, somewhat, he can tell to his friends, "Hey, can you refer my wife so that she already done some course. She will do the basic testing. Initially, you give the job. Later, she will day by day, she will improve."
Correct.
Rena's client he's having a bank. He's having a IT company. She will tell, "I'm doing this course." Okay, ma'am, you can just join it and do some testing. Let us see. If she is doing good, no, obviously they will hire. If you are doing
Yeah.
good, then you see opportunity getting is difficult. Once you got the opportunity, it's your responsibility.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay, got it?
Yes. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay, now take the screenshot.
Done, sir.
Done? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I think now it's your responsibility to learn Adhoc testing. My side,
Yes.
I have given you idea of
Yes,
many
sir.
applications. Okay. Now let us see there are some interview questions. Is requirement is necessary to do ad hoc testing, or is requirement should present to do ad hoc testing? Tell. Requirement should be present to do the ad
No,
hoc
sir.
testing.
No, sir.
No,
No.
Reena. No means you should tell. Why no?
Sir, because we are doing the testing without looking into the requirement, which basically means we are doing the negative testing, because the requirement will always tell you what are the positive requirements.
Okay. What, Reena?
Yeah, because ad hoc testing means that testing the software without looking into any requirements. So that's why we are not doing any requirement. We don't need any
Requirement.
requirement.
No, don't need requirement. Okay.
No,
Its requirement is
be.
necessary to do ad hoc testing.
Yeah.
Let me erase this question. Now tell.
No,
Is requirement should be present to do the ad hoc testing?
not necessary.
Because ad hoc-
Without requirement also you can test. Without requirement also you can test.
What test?
Okay.
Ad hoc. You can do ad hoc
Ad hoc
testing.
testing.
The answer is no. If you tell yes, you will be rejected in the company. Why? Let us see. How can you differentiate you are writing a positive scenario or negative scenario? Let me know. How you are concluding this is a positive scenario? Because you are looking into the requirement.
Correct.
If there is no requirement, if there is no requirement, as per my question, if the requirement is not there, then you are not able to find which is positive. Then how can you concluding this as a negative? Tell me. No, tell answer.
Yes,
Not
there's a
understood,
point.
huh?
There's a point in your question, sir. I got your point.
Without requirement, you can't find which is positive or which is negative.
Correct. Yeah.
Let me give you an example. In India, if you are keeping a gun, it is negative.
Okay.
But in US, it is positive. Because they will tell for my security, safety, I'm keeping a gun. In India, there is a requirement that if you are keeping the gun, then you will be under the jail. This is becoming negative because there is a requirement in my India that you should not keep the gun.
Correct.
But US is telling that you can keep the gun for your safety. There is a requirement. So keeping gun is not throwing you into the jail.
Yes.
Understood? Huh? So
Yeah.
negative scenario means requirement should be there. Positive scenario requirement should be there. So the same scenario will act like positive if there is a requirement. The same scenario will act like negative if there is no requirement. No requirement means not this requirement. Requirement will be there, but there is no authority for the requirement. Understood?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Got clarity?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So basically, you're looking into requirement, but requirement are
Yeah.
not.
As soon
You should
as you
not
have done
follow.
the positive testing, then only will understand what is positive. Later
Correct.
you go for negative. It means Adhoc.
Yes.
Got the
Yeah.
clarity?
Yes, sir.
So you can't do the Adhoc testing if there is no requirement.
So it needs requirement is needed.
Yeah. Without requirement, you can't go for the Adhoc testing.
Yeah. In a
Now got
past
the
class.
clarity?
Yeah. In past class, sir discussed that we need requirement, but we are not following
Not
the requirement.
looking into it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Got it?
Okay. Got
Very
it.
important interview question. Because of this
Yes, sir.
question, thousands of students will see this will teach in the class, but still they will do some nonsense in the interview. They will be rejected. If you take 100 members, 20, 30 members will reject because of this question.
Oh,
Okay.
wow. Yes, sir.
What? Wow. We are giving this much knowledge, and you will go and tell wrong answer. How it will feel? And they
No,
will
sir,
tell same thing.
I was wondering at the
Wow.
statistics that you were sharing.
Yes. So let
was-
us see now.
Yeah.
One more question is there, interview question. What is the question I'm thinking is, what will happen if you are doing ad hoc testing more? Ad hoc testing in the initial stage itself. In the initial stage itself, if you are doing ad hoc testing, what will happen? Tell. This answer also I have given.
Sir, we are wasting time.
No. Why you are wasting time?
Because, sir, our first priority is always to test as per the customer requirement specification.
So how you have to tell? It's not a waste of time. Okay. Always we should test the software in the positive point of view. Because the customer will use the software according to the requirement. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Customer, how he is using? You are blocking everybody daily in the WhatsApp. No, right. What you are
No.
seeing, yearly one customer or yearly two customers, you are blocking. That too, if
Yes.
you are in college and you are too much pretty, no, that
Yes.
time what will happen? The people, the the your colleagues like me, what they will do? They will propose, and they will be chatting with you daily. Hey, had your coffee? What are you doing? Simply to build a connection. What you will feel? Hey, this kachada fellow is. Let me block him. He's disturbing me. Block him.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
But now you are in US and you are having a small family with you and
Mm-hmm.
you are unknown in your place.
Mm-hmm.
It is not like a college, no? You got a responsibilities and people got the maturity. Nobody will harm Prerna, I will kill you today.
Mm-hmm.
I want to marry you. If I message like that, you will go to the court and file a case on me, no?
Yes, sir.
Why you? Or you can block him directly.
Yes, sir.
Assume he's your ex-boyfriend. I'm just taking an example. Don't take it personally. Okay? Is an ex-boyfriend and he messaging you. You are feeling irritated. Hey, this fellow knows that I got married. I'm having a kid, but still he's acting like some kachada fellow. Let me block him. Blocked, done. Like in that scenarios, you are blocking or some messages you are getting weekly basis, spam messages. You are blocking that. That is a different story.
Mm-hmm.
But you are not going to use that block every day, but you are
Yes.
using other features.
Hmm.
That is positive point of view, no? Sending messages, doing video call, audio call, updating status. So
Yes, sir.
always we should test the software in a positive point of view
Hmm.
because the
Yeah.
customer will use the software according to the requirement.
According to the record. Yes, sir.
Okay, got the clarity, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Next, if you are doing negative testing or if you are doing Adhoc testing by taking it in initial stage, at the end you will not get the sufficient time to do the positive testing. Got it? Will
Yes,
not
sir.
get the proper time to do the
Yeah.
positive testing, and
Yes.
again customer will use the software according to the requirement. It will be affecting.
Mm-hmm.
If you are not covering the positive scenarios,
Hmm.
then I will not call you as a test engineer.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, got the
Yes.
clarity now?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay, this is what the interview questions.
Yes, sir.
Let us go types of Adhoc. There are three types: pair testing, body testing, monkey testing. Okay, what testing?
Pair testing, buddy testing, and monkey testing.
Pair
Okay. These
means
are
what?
the two new one we learned today.
Hmm.
We know
What
the
to
monkey
new?
testing.
Okay, those are the types,
Okay.
but you don't know what is that. Let me give
Mm-hmm.
you clarity. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So how about gorilla testing and outbox
Other,
testing?
those are the other names. Other names.
Okay, so
These
these
are the
two are
types.
the additional one. Okay.
These three are the types. Types means how many types of humans are there? There are Africans, Asians,
Got it.
Europeans. Those are the
Hmm.
types.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Other names for humans.
Homo
Some
sapiens.
Homo sapiens. That is what scientific name.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Other names in Kannada, we will call it as a Manushya. In Hindi, call it as a Manush. That is
Yes,
other
sir.
names.
Yes, sir.
Types, matlab, different types.
Okay.
That is different. This is tough. Pair testing.
Hmm.
Pair means test engineer will discuss ad hoc scenarios with other test engineer and document the scenarios. Got it?
Hmm.
Yeah.
Here test engineer is sitting with the another test engineer, so we are calling as a pair.
Hmm.
Now, who is the buddy for the test engineer? Who is buddy for the test engineer? Pair means you understood another test engineer. Who is buddy?
Is it the developer, sir?
Yeah.
Yes.
Because they were together.
Because he's written the whatever the
Code.
what code, no, he
Yeah.
knows what logic is used. Kachada fellow, that time he can give us some hints when we discuss with him.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay, so we'll call them as a buddy. Okay. Now
Hmm.
test engineer, but that and all will happen in startup companies. Okay, in big
Mhm.
companies, MNCs and all, no, the teams will be already fighting with each other
Hmm.
because I'm raising the defects.
Yes.
Yeah.
And they're feeling what this Kachada fellow is doing every day is raising the defects. So there will be no that much good coordination. But in startups, no,
Yes, sir.
we only says 10 members will be there, 6 developers, 4 test engineers, small team. That time you can't turn your face aside. That time you should become a friend. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So test engineer discuss ad hoc scenarios
Mm-hmm.
by himself and do the ad hoc testing.
Okay.
I'm thinking myself.
Sir, is it
There
money
is
or
nobody.
monthly?
K is missing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you understood.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So whatever I have done in the last class and today's
Yeah.
class, no, I am doing which testing?
Monkey testing.
Monkey testing.
Because this is not happening.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Other test engineers are now still learning.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Later in the future, they might help me. Okay. Or somebody
Yes.
become developer also. That time
Yes.
we can do buddy testing. But as
Yes.
of now, what testing I am doing? I am doing the
Monkey testing.
monkey testing. Got it? Understood?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now take the screenshot.
Done, sir.
Done?
Hmm.
Very good. So I will give you 5 minutes time now.
Hmm.
I might ask any question in ad hoc testing. You should answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah. 5 minutes you have. 8:15 I will ask.
Okay.
Okay. Prerna, tell me why we should do Adhoc testing.
Sir, because customers use it randomly, and developers develop software by
Tell
looking.
point by point.
Okay, sir.
Don't mix all the points.
Okay. So the first point is because customers can use it randomly, which can be against the CRS. Second point is developer develops software.
No. Tell properly. You should convey me with the answer.
Okay.
My
So
question
because
is why we
yes, sir.
should do Adhoc
Why?
testing.
Yeah. We should do ad hoc testing because the first point is customers can use it randomly. So randomly means it may not always be by the customer requirement specification. They may try to break down the software by using it randomly. Then second point is the developers develop the software by looking into the requirement. So chances of defects are less. So we have to be more creative. We have to come up with more creative scenarios, which are negative scenarios, to test the software. It is a negative testing, and that is why we have to do foolproof testing, verification, and validation of the software. Since requirements are not followed, sir, that's why we have to do ad hoc testing.
When we should do Adhoc testing, Reena?
So as soon as developer are done,
What
build,
done?
we should do this smoke testing, ad hoc testing at that time.
Huh?
As
We should
soon
do the
as
smoke testing.
no ad hoc testing, sir.
We should do Adhoc testing.
No, sorry. Let me start over. Okay. As soon as we got the build, we should do smoke testing. Since smoke is the positive testing, here we should not do negative testing. That means it's ad hoc testing. And the second one will be while doing the functional testing, integration testing, either one is in between or at the end of you have some time, you can do ad hoc testing. Suppose if you don't have time to document ad hoc testing scenarios and components. And number third will be once after a complete the software product is all tested as a pre-requirement, then we can do ad hoc testing as well. The fourth one will be once after software is tested for 10 to 15, at least 10 to 15 test cycles. And if the product software is stable, then they will start doing the ad hoc testing. And there will be one more while doing the function testing, integration testing, and ST testing. If you can come up with good ad hoc scenarios, then stop doing the testing and test for ad hoc.
Good. Okay, take the screenshot of this. Done.
1 second. Yeah.
Okay. So now let us go to the another concept. Let me take customer. Given the requirement, developers to write the code, do white box testing, compile and compress into a software. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Now this software is given for the test engineers. Okay. The software is there. This software they have taken and they have kept in One of the server, let us take testing server. Okay. Getting no, there is a software in testing server.
Mm-hmm.
So they have given this for the test engineers for testing. Test engineers do the functional testing, integration testing, system testing. As soon as they get the software, they will do the smoke testing first. They do functional integration system. In between, they will do Adhoc testing. Later, they will do some testings like, can you tell other testings like performance testing? Okay, so many
Acceptance
other
testing,
testings are there. Okay, no,
ad hoc
acceptance
testing.
testing will be done by whom? Customer. No, we have done all the testings.
Yeah.
We used Windows 10 as a platform. Windows 10, you guys know, right? Windows 10 platform we used. We have done the testing. Okay.
Okay.
There is a laptop. We have done the testing in Windows 10. Okay. Windows 10. Let me write. The quality of the software is very good. Okay. The quality of the software is very good. So if the software quality is very good, what we have to do? Hello,
Yeah.
am I audible? If
Yeah.
the quality of the software is very good, what we have to do?
If quality is good, then we don't need to test anything. But
Then what we have to do? So we no need of testing means we already done the testing and we ensure the quality is good. Then what is the next step? Come on. After the quality of the software is good, what we will do? We will release the software, no?
oh yeah, yeah.
Release
Release the software.
the software to the customers.
Correct.
To the customer.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now there are some customers. Let me take customer 1, customer 2, customer 3, and customer 4. There are 4 customers. Okay. Now customer 1, what he will do? His device is Windows 10, working under the Windows 10. Okay. And the user 2, his device is Windows 11. He's using latest technology. User 3's device is Windows 7, old Windows. User 4 is using iOS or Mac. Got it? So
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 users. We have released the software to the customers, end user. The customers. So customers are using different platforms. What are these? These things are called as platforms.
Platforms.
Because see, somebody is using their old laptops, they may be poor. Somebody is using latest one. Somebody is taken the laptop 2 years ago, but the condition is good. They are using. Somebody is very rich. They are using the MacBook. Okay, so here having a laptop is not a problem, no. And they have released the software, and he is using the software. The software is working fine for him. Let us take this GeoMeet only. And Windows 11 people, the voice is not clear, but it is okay. Let me tell 50-50. 50%.
Hmm.
This is 100%. Okay, working fine. Is Windows 7 is not able to open only. The software is not opening.
Hmm.
So it is not working.
Hmm.
Okay. MacBook also not working.
Hmm.
Since I have released the software to the customer, the end user might use the different platforms to run the software, but the software might not be working in their platforms properly, so that the customer will stop using the application.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Customer stop using the application. So if you stop using application means, then the customer who is the owner of that particular application, he will not make the money.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Who is not making the money means he is under the loss. If he is under the loss, he will not give the amount for the software company.
Hmm.
Got it? So he's
Yes,
not
sir.
giving the amount for the software company. Amount means what? Budget or something like product cost, let us take. Not
Yes.
giving means we will not get the salaries.
Hmm.
Will not get the salaries, we will jump from one company to another company. So the software company is under the loss and the customer is under the loss. If it is repeating day by day, all the software companies should close and nobody will trust our software. Since I am following
Right.
SDLC properly, but still because of the compatible issues, because
Yes.
of compatible
Compatible issues.
issues, the customers are not able to use the software properly.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So, in order to avoid this, we should go for compatibility
Testing.
testing. What testing we'll do? We'll go for the
Compatible
compatibility testing.
testing.
So, these compatible issues are coming, the device, hardware and software specifications are different. What is this? Hardware
Hardware.
and
Specification and difference.
software specifications are different. It means, can I tell I am using the Android mobile, but you are using the iOS mobile, but both are using WhatsApp? No.
Yes, sir.
It
Yeah.
means what? WhatsApp is done the compatibility testing.
Hmm.
Yeah.
There are some applications where it will only support for Androids, which will not support for your iOS. Can
Yes.
I can give you example of Play Store. Play Store will be used only in Android.
Android. Yes, sir.
It is not compatible for iOS.
Hmm.
There is an App Store in iOS which is not compatible for my device. I'm
Hmm.
not
Okay.
talking about that type of application. I'm talking about WhatsApp.
Hmm.
WhatsApp is having different hardwares and softwares we have, but still our WhatsApp is working fine.
Yes.
But initial stages, it is also facing some issues. Later, they got to know what is the issue. They got to know that there is a compatibility issue
Hmm.
because hardware is different, software is different, or different
Hmm.
customers are using different type of configurations. So, in
Hmm.
order to make it as a one platform or to make it the software should work in a properly in all the platforms, we have to
Hmm.
go for the compatibility testing.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So what do you mean by compatibility testing now?
Hmm.
We need to test the functionality. Functionality means what? How the application will work, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Functional. Test the functionality of the application in different different platforms or configurations, different platforms or configurations is called as compatibility testing. Understood?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
We have to test the software in different platforms now. How it is possible, let us see later. But if I would have tested, see what I have done here, I have tested the software in only one platform, that is Windows 10. Let me take, this is a HP software, HP laptop, and I have tested the software only in Windows 10. It means if the hardware is Dell, Windows 10, that is different. Yeah, understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
If that is Mac or if it is Lenovo laptop, Windows 10 is different because hardware is different. Or HP, Windows 11 is different. So different. So what we have done as a test engineer, we have tested the software in only one platform. And we have released the software to the customer. Customer is using the software in different platforms so that we are finding the issues, compatibility issues.
Yes, sir.
So how to resolve this means, as a test engineer, you should test the software in all the platforms. It means all
Yes,
the
sir.
configuration, different configurations. That is what we'll call it as a compatibility testing.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Why we should do compatibility testing? Developer will write the code and develop the software for one of the platform. Test engineers will test the software in any one of the platform and will release the software to the customers. But customers will use the software in different platforms and they might face the issues. Once they are facing the issues, they will stop using the application. The software will undergo the loss or customer will undergo the loss. In order to avoid that, we should do the compatibility testing.
Okay.
Or to ensure my software is working in all the platforms, we should do the compatibility testing.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Got the clarity?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So compatibility testing is also called as configuration testing. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Configuration. If you use the SIM, no, or if you install something in your devices, configuration will happen.
Yes, sir.
It means it is compact. If you are using your Jio SIM or if you are Airtel SIM, I'm just taking an example. That SIM, as soon as you install, it will configure it by itself. It should be what I can tell. It should be work in this particular device. So there is some code. So it will automatically install that code. Later it will become compatible. So it is called as configuration testing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Or
Yes,
it
sir.
is called as portability testing.
Okay.
Portability testing. What do you mean by portability? Same, which the meaning remains same. Configuration and portability. Portability means if you take a mixer, I think you guys are using mixer, no? Mixie
Yeah.
Yes,
to
sir.
do sambar and all. Can you use different type of jars for your mixie?
No, sir.
Or one company jar to another mixie? No, not possible
No.
because
No.
it is not portable. Portable means adjustable, I can tell.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Because the configuration is different, the size of the jars is different. Got it? That is
Yeah.
the
Yes, sir.
thing. So the software is different.
Yes,
Whatever
sir.
the software is different. This software, whatever tested, that is tested for this one. So it is working. So it is not working for other devices. So as a test engineer, what you have to do? You have to do the compatibility
Compatibility
testing.
testing.
So what do you mean by compatibility testing? If you are not using functionality, means wrong. So you must use testing the functionality of the application in different hardware and software platforms. You can use different platforms I have mentioned. You can use hardware and software platforms. Okay, is called as compatibility testing. Why we have to do compatibility testing? Developer will develop the software according to the requirement. Test engineer test the software according to the requirement. But if we release the software to the customer can use the software in any of the platforms. He might face some issues. So he will not using the software, or he will stop using the software. That time the business will undergo the loss. The customer will undergo the loss. In
So,
order to
sir,
avoid that, we should go for the compatibility testing.
so sir, like we learned earlier that there is this demo server which is
That is
having this.
servers. That I have tested. That I have tested Windows 10. Here it is
Yeah.
working now. Previously it was not working anywhere, but now it is working in few systems. In few systems it is not working.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, we are understanding the production server as Windows 10 platform here,
Maybe.
and then we are making sure
Not
that the demo.
see, production server configuration is not a matter. Where we
Okay.
have tested Windows 10. Where we
In
are
Windows.
using Windows 10 working fine,
Windows.
but where we are using Windows 11, that time it is not working properly because we have tested in Windows 10.
Okay.
Got it? Like that.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, sir, when we are testing it, does that mean we will have all these applications like platform devices to
Yeah,
test
we
it?
have that we will see later.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now take this screenshot
Yeah.
Yeah.
and then
Hold on for a second.
Yes, sir.
One
Done.
second. One
now
second.
write down why we should do compatibility testing. Heading.
Okay.
Tell the answer. Why we
What
should do
was the-
compatibility testing?
Okay.
Tell.
When you test the functionality of the application in different. I'm sorry.
Yeah, tell.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let me tell you. Okay, write down. Write down.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Developer will develop the software in any one of the platform,
Okay.
and test engineer will test the software in any one of the platform and release the software to the customers and release the software to the customers.
Okay.
But the customer will use the software in different platforms. But the customer will use the software in different platforms.
Okay.
So chances are there. I'm not telling 100% you will find the defect. Okay, chances are there. Customers may find the defects. Customer may find the defects. In order to avoid that, we should go for compatibility testing.
Okay.
Next,
Okay.
to ensure the next point, to ensure the software is working in all the platforms, we should go for compatibility testing.
Okay.
Got
Yes.
it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now study this concept before sleeping one time.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Later sleep. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So let us catch up in the next class. Until bye bye.
So it's tomorrow, right?
Yeah,
Morning.
tomorrow morning. Yes.
What time?
I will mention maybe 6:30.
Uh,
Okay.
6:30 in morning in USA
Yeah.
morning time.
Maybe 8:30. No, last time I have
Yes,
done the
yes, sir.
class.
Yes, sir. It should be 7 for you. 7 for you.
But let me start by 6:30 today. It means 8
Sir,
o'clock for you guys.
I cannot join at 8, sir.
Why, ma?
Sir, I have